Okay, they just came out with some news here about 2 minutes ago. So I just wanted to grab this. This is in the middle of a major project. But I want to go to the 5-minute chart here because I get a kick out of this stuff. So here I'm going to run some automated trading orders. I put in some cells here. So now this is a ticket that's going to last 15 minutes here. Let me go to, so that's 5-minute chart. And here's the terminal window. Okay, let's see if I can track this trade. Now I'm trying to scalp this. I'm already long New Zealand dollar from earlier, but I'm going to take profits on that right now because that's a lot of control. Okay, so now, okay, let me see if I can go back to my, I don't have my new software yet. I'm trying to get Windows 8 on here. Okay, that's 5 minute. This is euro dollar here. This is 5 minute. Well, there's not much for these markets to chew on. Here's New Zealand dollar. So when this news came out, it's a real big deal because these markets have really been looking for something to feast on. Now here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to throw in a 15-minute order. Sell up here. This would be a sell high buy low trade. So I got to do a little rearranging here. I always want to set this scale fix. Okay. So, yeah, this breakout here, great breakout. Nice money maker. Here's a 5-minute euro. Okay, so I'm not getting filled quite there yet. And the spread's pretty ridiculous. I don't have the spread up on here. It looks pretty wacky. I don't have my... I was trying to run do a video about this market profile here, but I couldn't resist jumping into this with this automated trading. Now, these 15-minute tickets, if they don't get filled in 15, I can come back here in 15, or I could throw one in right now if it starts to back away, and I think, okay, I'd like to capture that move. Let's see if I can put some perspective on this. Gotta fix a chart here. Okay, so now just gonna go to a good old candlestick there. Of course, I still got my 2-period EMA on top of that. Trying to stay with it. Okay, now let me put some buy orders in below here. Now these last. Hopefully, I got this programmed on this computer. Okay, this should last. Okay, it's 15 minutes also. So I'm kind of like hedging this now. I'm not filled on any side yet, and down here looks like a nice place to buy. So that's kind of shotgun trading approach there. Now, if I wanted to do some precision entries, what I could do is come in here, and I'm running this market profile, which is a it's a look at the market sideways. So if you could actually take the market and turn it sideways and look down it, like you'd look at a profile of a person, you'd see the density and thinness of order zones, and so you look for the peaks, and the smallest and the largest would be the key prices for me. So I want to place my orders there. Wherever we see a key price. Now, these spikes out here, that we're currently trading at, actually. So, yeah, I don't know what good that is, but let me go to my drop list here. Okay, so I got a single drops here. Or I could drop a pending order to buy. This order will last all day. I made this D1 last all day. So this would actually risk $30 to make $60 because it's a 1K, so it's actually $3 makes $6. But if it's a 10K, it would be like that. So you drag it up here and look for the one of these points, or one of these something that's extreme on either side. So I could place one here, and then I could come back and place one like this one. And I think I put these in at so many intervals so you wouldn't overtrade this if you only placed of course I'm going to put the cells at top. So here's a sell, 75 pip stop, 50 pip take profit, put that up here in this little hole, which amazingly is this top here. So it's this market profile where it's scooped out. Instead of placing trend lines or horizontal support and resistance lines, you could just start putting your tickets up there and just walk away. There's a, see right in this hole here where the market's scooped out, and then there's a peak here, which is amazingly this, where everything fell through. But it's kind of hard to get your brain around market profile sometimes because here, let me see what's going on. I think we're pulling back to the buy. So let me put a tighter buy in there. See if I get picked up on a ticket here. I just have no patience. I don't want to trade the market though, so I'm just want to let the market come to me whenever it's damn ready. Of course, I would have been a seller up here, but I just started the video on this demo and actually would have had sell tickets up there. I did get out of this New Zealand when I started the video just because, well, even though it's fake money, you want to lose, right? So, what was I going to do? Let me go to the all three pairs here. So these holes here in market profile, right there is a major deal. And if you're going to do precision placement, here's the euro. Looking at the daily. Come down like this. Kind of wipes out the. You have to. I don't know how to get this to paint on top of the price, but just it really wouldn't matter because if you're placing orders, like here's a good place to get in. There's a way to probably get that not to paint on top. But yeah, down there looks a good place to get in. $1.24 for the euro. Sure, why not? Okay, looks like I'm just getting filled here now, so let me go back to see what happened. Something got picked up here now. I try to write these scripts to not be too greedy. There's a master stop typically on a bank of like 5 tickets or something. So if I did get filled, okay, I'm down like 8 cents here. Or, yeah, I'm down 8 cents on that ticket. Not too bad for a sell on the Australian dollar, with just kind of no moving average, no nothing. Just now I'm gonna put another sell order up there, just so I get filled on this and see if I can wipe the account out. Oh, that was a buy order. Oh well, hit the wrong key there. But these only last 15 minutes, so maybe I can just pause this and come back, see if I blow up the account. Now I'm at a healthy 3100. I started this with 5,000, but I've been kind of driving a bunch. I've been testing keyboards and really abusing the account, but I'm only trading 1K, so to blow up this account would be quite a feat, I think. I don't know what percentage risk I'm using, but I think I could withstand being in a 2K with $3,000 in the account. For some people that'd be ridiculously wimpy, and for other people that'd be like off the chart dangerous. Now this is the 1 hour. This spread looks pretty nasty. I don't know this broker. And these are 100 pip handles. Look, I can see the spread here. Same here. I guess it's just craziness, but okay, I'm up. Now I can take out profits right now. Now depending, I'm actually up on these trades, but I'll just wait. If they don't cash out as winners, and I'm up, say, $3, I'm getting out just because the way I look at it is whatever my margin is, I like to make that per day. So if I'm risking $100 of margin, I want to make $100. Typically that's doable. So, or we get stopped out. Let me just throw another sell bank in here. Uh-oh, hit the wrong key. Actually, this is not programmed, this broker, but unfortunately one of these keys actually is a shortcut to delete the chart, so this is a pretty angry mess there. But okay, I'm up 24 cents. I mean, not bad, but it's totally, I won't say random trading because I'm asking the market to move. These sell orders I placed are probably about 5 to 10 pips away from current price when I drop them. And the end of the bank's maybe 30 pips away from current price. So if the market can slam 15 minutes either up or down, I typically trade one side. Now I was long the Australian dollar into this thing, so I cashed out, but I want to take advantage of the ridiculous spike and play the backbeat as it's coming back to earth. Or if it never comes back, well, it's just simply going to blow out this whole bank. So let's I'll come back. Okay, I just got filled another ticket here, and so I'm selling this Australian dollar as it goes up here. I'm just going to delete all these objects, and then I'll be able to let's see a little clearly here. Of course, the current price is way up here, creating the spike, and here's the 2-period EMA lagging. Now that's a 2-period EMA, so it's lagging. The 1 period would not lag, but the 2 period, damn if it doesn't lag. So you can see the spread there. I don't have a spread indicator on this, but of course this isn't the best broker in the world. I think it's actually spreads heavily fluctuating there. Big fluctuation. It looks crazy. Okay, but I don't see no I just don't see any. Like, here's a spike here in the market profile, so way up in there would be a nice place to put in orders, especially right here. Now this is interesting how this is really a big spike here. If you drew a trend line on that to extend it all the way to the left, it's curious to see where that lands. Amazingly, it lands right at this bottom, this double bottom. It's crazy. This is kind of a nice tool because you're really looking at the market in a cross section, and that's the top, that big hole right there. And so these are like the harmonics, you know. Okay, so I'm getting heavily filled here, and kind of interesting to see what happens here. Now, this is my big experiment. I want to have a see if I can get one of these, post the results of one of these accounts and get it rolling. So I actually want to write a script that's so chaotically random that it literally drops within maybe a half-hour time frame, 15-minute to half hour. So there's this one that says drop. This is the one that lasts all day, but I didn't write day drop on that. And then just have you know, just see what happens. Here's a scalp ticket, 30 minutes. So this one lasts 30 minutes, but this is designed to just a scalp, whereas the other ones may be a full retracement style. And see if I can launch another sell on this without okay, this is way deep. This is a 1 hour. That lasts for 1 hour. Now if the news was to break on this currency pair, I've seen it where the market could actually go through that, but all these scripts exist. You know, you can just sit there and write all these things. I probably wrote about 500 scripts, and some of them have actually crashed a platform. Somebody said to me once, "Hey, would you ever think about trading the Australian to New Zealand dollar?" And I'm like, "Yeah, let's give it a try." I opened a demo and I threw out a script, and the spread was so wide, the platform just kept on refreshing that one script and just